The UVgel Wallpaper Factory is an end-to-end automated solution for producing high-volume wall decor applications. It is designed for printing companies that are producing high-quality wall-covering jobs and need a solution for productivity losses and high operational costs associated with role changes. Designed for maximum throughput, high quality, and to run all day long, the UVgel Wallpaper Factory is a fully automated production facility for digitally printed wallpaper. From the bulk-sized media input straight through to the finished rolled output, prints from the UVgel Wallpaper Factory are fully certified for safe and indoor use, making them applicable even in the most health-sensitive environments like hospitals and schools. The UVgel Wallpaper Factory is a fully modular and scalable workflow consisting of the Colorado 1650 large format roll-to-roll printer and a number of Photobur Jumbo roll feed and finishing modules. It is modular in setup and can be configured according to the customer's requirements for automation and integration. The Colorado Open Interface architecture enables the UVgel Wallpaper Factory to be integrated into existing workflows, giving the option to choose input and output solutions from different suppliers.